Model, 67-plate Renault TRAFIC minibus MOTED smiling face with open hands ULEZ compliant spares OR repairs ULEZ compliant with winch disability vehicle smirk. Body, white, minibus. Mileage, 181962. MOT, 29 September 2024. Engine, 1598 CCR9M 125 Energy E6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary, this could be a perfect vehicle for transportation with someone who has some disability requirements. Face with hand-over-mouth bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, air con, park.